Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Ford Explorer 2024 to 2026? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they are located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2024 to 2026 Ford Explorer serves as a critical centralized hub for managing and protecting the various low to medium current electrical circuits that power the vehicle's interior amenities and convenience features. It is conveniently located beneath the passenger side glove box area, designed to be accessible for periodic maintenance or troubleshooting without requiring specialized engine bay access. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2024 to 2026 Ford Explorer functions as the primary power distribution center for the vehicle's high-demand electrical systems. Located within the engine bay, this centralized module houses both standard automotive fuses and high-current fuses designed to protect critical components, such as the powertrain control module, anti-lock braking system, cooling fans, and fuel pump, from electrical surges or short circuits. Because this box manages the main power architecture of the vehicle, it serves as the first line of defense for the engine's operational health and overall vehicle reliability. This unit often includes a secondary pre-fuse assembly, typically attached directly to the positive battery terminal, which handles the heaviest electrical loads. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.